Hi, I'd like to thank Cederberg Tea Company for sending me this culinary grade matcha powder so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. I really like, especially that it's very finely ground, so it dissolves very easily in your liquid. And I normally like to just add this to a cup of hot water and drink it as tea like that. It's really nice too because a serving is a half teaspoon. So this will last a really long time for me. And it's very good matcha powder. So I made some tea last night and refrigerated it, and I am going to make a matcha smoothie this time. Okay, so I took my cold matcha tea. I added a scoop of vanilla protein powder and a bunch of ice. I could have blended it a little bit better, but this is my matcha smoothie. It's very good, very good. So yeah, this matcha, it's really good, dissolves easily, tastes great. I'm gonna make some cookies with it this weekend. Thanks.